I'm so grateful for what riding has given me. There is so much risk involved in this hobby, as many people will tell you, but the reward, if done safely and responsibly, is so worth it. The people you meet, the actual rides you get to enjoy, it's a beautiful thing. So we're pretty much coming up to a really nice, tight, windy road with a high speed limit, and I'm going to rely pretty heavily on my discipline to try and stop me from doing anything too silly. I need to remind myself that although I've done this road a few times, there are going to be other factors such as debris, new potholes, gravel, damp patches that I wouldn't be familiar with, and I need to accommodate for those. And this is where Highway Patrol pulled me over last time. My second most viral video. Thank you for that. Oh, that body positioning is horrendous. Hey, boy. Hey, we got a nod back. I love that. High risk area for us motorcyclists. All right, let's take it easy. Thanks for the reminder, Vic Roads. Oh, god damn it. God damn it. These curves though. Oh, the screaming engine. This, folks, is how you get into trouble. Let's take this corner really slow and easy. Oh, the sensation that just overcomes you is, it's something else, man. Oh, I feel like I've lost sight of my fellow riders. Nice. Is Ray all good? Yeah, I see Ray in the background. Nice. As long as the boys are safe. Ideally, I should not be the one out the front, but I am also the one who's going to be deciding where we turn around. Oh my god. This is so beautiful. This is... Oh my god. Oh my god.
That was fucking awesome.
Cool road, right?
Yeah, I've been meaning that. I came down here, I realized this was undone.
Oh shit. Did you want to lead this time, Justin? Yeah, you want me to do it? Yeah, okay. I enjoyed myself. I didn't go too hard. Pretty decent run, I'd say. Would be nice if it wasn't damp, but I'm happy. Yeah, man, how was it?
That was, yeah, I found my limitation, that's for sure.
Yeah, no, but I feel like you guys did good. Like, you were riding your own ride, you weren't trying to keep pace, and you were doing the same, so like, success, right?
Oh, yeah, no, yeah. That was, yeah.
Alright then, ride safe, and I'll catch you around. Yeah. I love that road. It's one of those rare roads where the speed limit is not the limiting factor. It's your ability to ride, it's the conditions and the technicality of the corners that are the limiting factor. I'm not gonna lie, I come out feeling like a better rider every time I finish that particular road. The reason I make these videos is because motorcycling makes me so happy, and I want to spread that passion to as many people as possible. If there is even one of you out there watching this and thinking, wow, I really want a motorcycle, and this guy is helping influence that decision, then I am happy, man. As a high schooler, I'd be watching other motovloggers like Riding with Tom and dreaming, drooling, salivating over the day that I get my own little piss missile. And here we are. I want to continue that cycle. I want people out there to realize that even though there is a strong stigma around riding a motorcycle, It is such a rewarding, fulfilling, satisfying experience. For me anyway, and it could be the case for you too. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. I will catch you on the next one.
You say you've got them guns, but I've never seen you bang. You say you've got them drugs, but I've never seen you slang.